This might be a hot take for some, but I kinda like Green Monster despite yung endless comparisons sa ibang existing na isekai anime and despite the fact that most elements daw from the manga and light novel were removed. Hello mga ma'am, Green Monster is an isekai anime where a human with esper abilities gets by his own friend and reincarnates as a goblin. And yung goblin dito is yung lowest form of monster sa world na to. Gobro, despite being reborn into a completely different race, he retained his ability to absorb traits and skills from whatever he consumes, which helps him level up. By the way, yung narration ng story nito is based sa perspective ni Gobro, which is, again, the main character. And for me, the story is fairly light, even though there are some heavy arcs na dapat mabigat yung emotions. I also believe na na-influence yung pagkwento dahil doon sa mood and personality ni Gobro since siya yung type na hindi masyadong makwento and he prefers to keep things brief. One thing I didn't really like doon sa anime is yung portrayal ng carnal desires ng mga characters and yung harem element. I get it, fantasy yan. And iba yung moral compass ng mga creatures dyan compared sa kung ano yung meron tayo right now. Pero hindi ko siya like pa-deviate, hindi ko siya maalis. Pero that's just a personal preference. Malay mo magustuhan mo to. Anyway, let me know if mapanood mo yung anime and your thoughts about it. That's it for me. Bye-bye.